I'm saying goodbye to Heihe, a Chinese town right on the Russian border, located in Heilongjiang province. Heilongjiang province is like Maine of China. It sticks out in the northeast corner of China. The train is a traditional grain train. It's not a high-speed rail. It's an overnight train. It will take me to the capital of Heilongjiang province, the largest city in the northeast of China. It's called Harbin. Heihe station is quite small. Right on the Russian border, you can see Russian on all the signs. The station takes care of only 5 trains on a daily basis. The waiting hall is filling up fast, and it's about time to board the train. It's very interesting. They didn't check your ID when you're boarding the train here, unlike anywhere else in China. As you can see, I walk by the machine without have to present any identifications. It was my first time taking an overnight train. I picked a top bunk. I thought it would give more privacy. But then I realized how tall the top bunk is. And as you can see, there are only 2 steps. You need to go up 6 foot or so. And it's not easy. I don't recommend it, picking a top bunk. But once you're up here, it's pretty comfortable. I had a good night's sleep. Well, welcome to Harbin. Harbin station gave me a sensation of being in a train station in Europe. Different trains, carriage is numbered differently, so when you're boarding, you have to watch and look down what color indicator you need to follow. This is my first time arriving at Harbin on a train. Another reason I've taken a grain train to Harbin is because the high-speed rail has not reached Heihe yet. Harbin is not my final destination for today. I am just transiting here. A little bit later, I'm going to take a high-speed rail 4-hour ride. I will be arriving at Dandong in Liaoning province, in a different province. And Dandong will be right on the border with North Korea. Early morning sun is brilliant and strong in middle of May against the blue sky. It's pretty. Well, too bad I don't have any time today to explore the city of Harbin. And I'm gonna go right back into the station and be ready for my next train. Thank you for watching. See you in Dandong, right on the North Korean border, and explore that town together.